Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Peter and I have a problem. I cannot stay away from cheap auction cars. So let's take a look what I bought and let's decide what will we do with it. Shall we? So this is what I think is the cheapest Skoda Octavia Mk3 RS. I paid 1,500 bucks, about £1,000 for it, and the list that's not wrong with this car is quite shorter than what's wrong with this car. So let's start up front and let's see what's wrong, what we need to replace or do not replace. And I would like to know your opinion in the comments. Tell me down in the comments what do you think I should do and should not do, because there's a lot of small things that needs to be done with this car, and we have two options: either do it really nicely, outsource some work, because I cannot do paint work, not in the winter anyway. I do not have this shop heated, the light sucks and everything like that. So this is only steel building and everything in here sucks. But it is, no, it's not mine, it's leased. But anyway, let's dive into the car. So first off, the grill busted right here. I don't know why. The paint on the bumper is surprisingly here is fine, but here is not. So that's shot. I should mention what's with the car. The car is not crash damage at the moment. It had some crash damage on it, but at the moment I didn't buy it as crashed vehicle. It's a finance car. The guy, the tuner, he didn't pay on the car, and the leasing company took it from him, but he stripped the car. The car's completely stripped, so we are missing the headlights. Those are pretty expensive. Those are bi-xenon headlights. This fender, the paint on it's really trash. The hood that's wrapped in vinyl, and the paint underneath it is trash. We don't know if the engine runs. What scares me is there is only straight water in the reservoir. That's scary. The intercoolers on these engines tend to leak, so that's another thing. This fender right here, this fender is crunched up. The wheels curbed up, and the tires are trash. Let's move into the interior. The windshield's fine. Moving to this side of the car, we have quarter panel damage here. They put and again vinyl and some, I don't know what is this, chipmunks or whatever on it, and they wrapped with fake, I don't know what is this, like stone or whatever. They wrap the pillars, but it can be easily undone. What's the real issue in this car is the interior. We have no interior, no door panels, no steering wheel. This is just a placement. I know the lighting sucks, I know, I'm sorry. No seats, no nothing. No headliner, no radio, but we do have keys. We do not have the clock spring, so we cannot start it up. It has higher mileage. These doors are trash. They need to be either painted and repaired or scrapped. You have tuner stuff here, and in the back we are missing the bumper, both tail lights, We have dent here, and what scares me is this black exhaust. This car either have DPF problems, or it's some type of aftermarket tuning to make more power, but this is illegal probably. On this side we have again quarter panel damage here, paint damage, those wrapped things again, tuner stuff, and it's lowered, these springs are cut, so this is horrible, guys. As you can see, no interior, no nothing. Good thing that we have the seat belts and the dash. That's a positive thing. So there is only two options: either try to get it running, sell two good doors, engine, trans, the bonnet, the front bumper, and scrap the rest of the dash and scrap the rest of the car, recoup our money. Try flipping it, that's the other option. And then I decided for the third and the most watchable option. So let's take a look what I decided. So other sensible thing to do is to buy another car, because why not? And believe it or not, this is a parts car. And I will show you why is this a parts car just in a minute. I started stripping it without you, so I'm really sorry for that. But I think this is the same color as this. So we have a good fender, we have two doors. That's like I don't know, $200 here, 250. It's like $600, $700 right here. We have good wheels with I would say like 40% winter treads. We have a headlight, we have a grille, and most importantly we have interior. We have door panels, we have steering wheel, we have all the seats, we have the headliner, which is like $500, believe it or not. So there's a lot of things in this car, and I already started stripping it down. So let me show you why this is a parts car. She took a little hit to the back here, as you can see. So she's crunched up here. The roof is buckled. As I said, I already started stripping, so there is nothing in the back. And we also took a hit on this side. But as you can see, we started stripping already. So we have a little bit crunched up, but the filler piece to the trunk. We have all the seats. We have the liner for the cargo cover. We have one of the taillights. We have another set of summer wheels with summer tires. And the bumper is shot here, trash. But we have non-cut springs. So we have a lot of things on this car. So that's really nice. So let's start swapping the parts over, shall we? And we don't know if the car runs until we put the clock spring in it, because the ignition switch is through the clock spring. So that will be it for the first video on this Skoda RS. Let me know down in the comments what do you think. Oh, by the way, I paid $5,000 for the parts car, so yeah. But they are worth around, I would say, 8 to 10,000 in perfect condition. So if we can sell this for 65 or 7,000, we should still have a lot of parts from this car to sell. So we'll see how it goes. Let me know down in the comments what do you think, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, and by the way, I have the Mini R58. If you want to see any videos on that, let me know.